Rajasthan District Court exams, exercise 11 at the speed of 100 words per minute. Be ready? Start. Indian education system is quite an old education system that still exists. It has produced so many genius minds that are making India proud all over the world. However, while it is one of the oldest systems, it is still not that developed when compared to others, which are in fact newer. This is so as the other countries have gone through growth and advancement, but the Indian education system is still stuck in old age. It faces a lot of problems that need to be sorted to let it reach its full potential. Stop para. Our Indian education system faces a lot of problems that do not let it prosper and help other children succeed in life. The biggest problem which it has to face is the poor grading system. It judges the intelligence of a student on the basis of academics, which in the form of exam papers. That is very unfair to students who are good in their overall performance but not that good at specific subjects. Moreover, they only strive to get good marks, not paying attention to understanding what is taught. In other words, this encourages getting good marks through mugging up and not actually grasping the concept efficiently. Stop para. Furthermore, we see how the Indian education system focuses on theory more. Only a little percentage is given for practical. This makes them run after the bookish knowledge and not actually applying it to the real world. This practice makes them perplexed when they go out in the real world due to lack of practical knowledge. Most importantly, the Indian education system does not emphasize enough on the importance of sports and arts. Students are always asked to study all the time, where they get no time for other activities like sports and arts. Stop para. As the Indian education system is facing so many problems, we need to come up with effective solutions so it improves and creates a brighter future for students. We can start by focusing on the skill development of the students. The schools and colleges must not only focus on the ranks and grades, but on the analytical and creative skills of children. In addition, subjects must not be merely taught theoretically but with practical. This will help in a better understanding of the subject without them having to mug up the whole thing due to lack of practical knowledge. Also, the syllabus must be updated with the changing times and not follow the old age pattern. Other than that, the government and private colleges must now increase the payroll of teachers as they clearly deserve more than what they offer. To save money, the schools hire teachers who are not qualified enough. This creates a very bad classroom environment and learning. They must be hired if they are fit for the job and not because they are working at a lesser salary. Stop para. In conclusion, the Indian education system must change for the better. The colleges and schools must hire well and qualified teachers. They must help students to understand the concept instead of merely mugging up the whole subject. It must give the students equal opportunities to shine better in the future. We need to let go of the old and traditional ways and enhance the teaching standards so our youth can get create a better world. Stop.